For the next 7 days, I'll be trying to make money by editing videos without monetization. But wait, how do you make money without monetization? Well, there are a few ways, and in this video, I'm testing one of them. Content rewards. WAP is a website that offers a ton of campaigns, and basically, you can make money from almost every type of video. Looks maxing, football, motivation, even anime edits. Yes, that's crazy. So for the next 7 days, I'll try to make as much money from clipping as I possibly can, if I make any at all. And I'll document every single day how many views I got and exactly how much money I made. But before we start, let me quickly show you how this actually works. Here is a streamer called Cap Editor, and this streamer needs more popularity. But no matter what he posts, the views are always flat. But one day, this streamer finds a company named Content Rewards. This site offers people popularity in exchange for money, and his eyes sparkled up. He took $10,000 from his pocket and gave it to WAP. WAP took $1,000 for itself and gave out $9,000 to people who would record this streamer's moments, upload them on their social media, and get views. And by this strategy, all of them are happy. The streamer got his popularity, WAP got its share from that money, and people got paid for their work. This is Content Rewards. For this video, I made these rules for myself, which is what I'll be doing for these 7 days. And as you can see, on the first day, I don't have to post a video because we need to create an account and warm it up by scrolling, commenting, and engaging with content. So let's create an account real quick and name it something relatable to us. Cap clips would be cool. Now let's just scroll the videos and comment on them. And for these 7 days, the campaign I chose is the Based campaign. Why? Because they're paying $2 per 1,000 views, and they have a $40,000 budget, which is crazy. Also, their rules are simple. You don't have to buy their product or show your face. You can just make meme-style videos that touch on their launch in Target stores. This is an example.
Baby.
Yep, pretty easy videos. Now, let's upload this triangle profile picture. I don't know why I uploaded this. I just chose some random pic from my gallery. And let me continue scrolling for today. Day 2. Today, I applied for the Based campaign with my account, and I have to upload 2 videos, which, based on what we saw, isn't supposed to be hard. The first video's theme will be looks maxing, specifically Marlin. This is what I made as a raw edit. Yeah, nothing crazy. On this edit, I'll put some text in the middle that touches the Based brand. Something like this. Okay, it's pretty much done. Let me export this and upload it on TikTok. Okay, it's been a few hours and I made this edit now. Pretty good, pretty simple. We don't need any complicated things. And bro, I feel so gay making this, I swear. Imagine, this is my laptop, and over here, there's my brother laying down, and he's watching me how I'm editing dudes. Okay, let me export this and upload it on TikTok real quick with some random captions. Day 3. Well, today's a hard day. I had to work a full shift today. If you don't know, I'm a waiter at a restaurant, and I finished working at 1 a.m. But still, I made this video for the challenge. I know it's not something crazy, but it could go to the page. Let's write some random captions for this and click post. What? Come on! Pretty much, we can't upload this because it's unoriginal content. Well, I'm not making anything else for today. Bye-bye. Day 4. First of all, let's check how many views we got. I'm so excited. Bruh. Well, it's alright. It's a new account anyway. For today's post, I remade that video from yesterday and cooked something like this. Yep, not bad. Let's export this and upload the 3rd video of this challenge. And yes, it's not unoriginal content. We can upload it. For the 2nd video today, I didn't make it on my laptop. I made it on my phone, which I think would do the best because it's kinda creative. Pretty cool, right? See you on the next day. Day 5. Finally, I couldn't wait for this. Let's see how many views we got. 3, 2, 1. I mean, not bad, not gonna lie. As you see, these two new videos are doing better than the other two. So we could say our page is going up, but on this day, something completely unexpected happened. The base campaign vanished. I couldn't find it anywhere. Even if I searched for it on the front page, there was no trace of it. I don't know why this happened. I've made some money on WAP before, as you can see, but this kind of thing never happened to me. But the hope is not fully dead yet, because there is one more campaign that I'm participating in right now, the WAP campaign. Yes, this campaign is made by Content Rewards itself, and they're paying a crazy amount of money, $15 per 1,000 views on long-form YouTube videos. And guess what? This video, the one you're watching right now, will be submitted to that campaign. I can't guarantee I'm gonna meet all the requirements, but I will try. Oh, and also I will leave Content Rewards link in the description. You could try it, maybe you'll make some money, and won't end up a loser like me. Well, sorry for the inconvenience. For this video, this is all I could possibly do. I'll keep you updated in the upcoming videos. Love y'all, and bye-bye.